Jim Frederick with Tru-Scapes Landscape Lighting and Belgard Hardscapes, here today to discuss one of the most fundamental techniques in our industry, a good connection. The first step to a proper connection is to take your 12 or 14 gauge lead wires, split the twin wires. Also, grab your fixture, which will also have a pair of wires. Using a good quality wire stripper is critical. When stripping the rubber jacket off of your wires, go back about 3/8 of an inch. Be careful not to remove copper strands when you remove the rubber jacket. Take half of each wire, bundle them together, twist to the right, install the included gel-filled wire nuts, and twist until they no longer turn. Take your second set of wires, do the same, twist to the right, insert in the wire nut, twist so it no longer turns. When properly installed, the wire nuts provide a strain-resistant, waterproof connection for direct burial. And now you're done.